What's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna cover the web design trends for 2019. I decided to do this video because the web design trends that I did for 2018 it got a really good feedback. So if you guys didn't watch it yet, you can watch it after this video. But first of all, let me just give a shout out to the sponsor of this video, studywebdevelopment.com. The Ultimate Freelance Bundle gives you everything you need to start your freelance career, and this includes HTML and CSS templates, your own portfolio website, client proposal templates, invoice templates, and all of these has lifetime updates. So whenever this bundle gets updated, you get it for free. And if you go in here to the checkout to buy the bundle, and you use the code TEL20, you get 20% off. Alright guys, so let's start with the first design trend in here, and the first one that I want to cover is WEBGL. Alright, so I'm gonna just start reloading these websites, and basically if you don't know, WEBGL basically is like a JavaScript API that lets us render 2D and 3D models on the browsers. Most of the browsers now, they just like accept this. It's just like fully compatible. So I'm just going to show you this, and you can see how our great experience users can have. Look, I'm going to put this one in here. How like the story, read it to me. Look at this. Look how amazing it is.
Out the goat.
This is almost like an interactive story. Obviously, you can just like go click around and do whatever you want.
One nippy morning with a mountain looking clear, out the goat set off where no other fellow would dare.
Look, you need to click to continue. But as you can see, look, there is a lot of 2D and 3D models in here, all handled by WEBGL.
Climb the massive mountain by step and by hop, across streams and over the hills to the very top.
Look at this. If this is not amazing, look at this. I'm just going to show you a bit more, and then I'm going to pass to the next video.
Humongous Cody he went, till he reached the mountain's base. Oh my goat, it was lunchtime already. He'd better pick up the pace.
So this is just like one of the aspects of WEBGL. I'm going to show you another website in here that uses WEBGL. By the way, look, you can see all the links of the websites in here on the top, so you don't have to come to me and just say like, oh, tell me what's the link. They are in here on the top, all right? So look at this one in here. I'm just going to press start. Look at this. It's using like these 3D models. Look, I'm controlling this bubble with my mouse. Wherever I put my mouse, this bubble in here on the river. Look at this, how amazing it is. All done with WEBGL. Oh, it's going there. Look at this. How amazing is this? So we got this one. There's like a lot more stuff that you can. All of this stuff with WEBGL, you can code it with JavaScript. Okay, if you know JavaScript, you can do this. Let me just like get rid of this website. All right. So get rid of this sound. Look, another amazing thing you can do with WEBGL is just like creating these 3D models to actually see products that you want to sell better. Look at these, for example, these glasses. You almost can see them as a 3D model, so you can see better how they look. This is going to be a completely a game changer, for example, for websites that they are selling products, and people, they can see them better, like rotating them and see how they would look like in their hands. Look at this. Probably you could do something. Let me see if there is something else in here. Look, there is a long board in here. You can't do it like completely, but of course if they wanted they could do it, but this is just like their point. They have a case in here that they are selling. You can rotate it a bit as well. Like a bottle stand. This is quite cool. Let's see this one in here. Just loading. This is the problem of some of these websites, because with WebGL they don't load like so fast. Look at this. We got some 3D models in here. Let me click around and see what happens. What we create. Yeah, you can see, look at these, some kind of VR. You can see this a little bit in 3D. The same in here. Look, the car. All with WebGL. It gives you like illusion of 3D. Same in here. Who we work with. What we do. Yeah, this one is quite cool as well. Look at this map as well. You can scroll with your mouse around. So all of these with WebGL. This is another great one that I wanted to show you. This Skinfinity. Look at these, guys. Look at these. And if you are going to build a website like this to companies or to whoever you want, now you can really see that you can charge a lot of money for these kind of things. Obviously, it's going to be hard to build by yourself, but if you are working with a team, you are building like your own company or something. Look at this. Look at this leaf in here, all done with WebGL. And it's just like moving, it feels like real. Really nice website. And it's a great experience. For sure, someone who comes to this website, they are going to remember. It really stands out. Alright, so I guess that's it for the WebGL. So we can go now to the next web design trend that I want to cover, and the next one is the use of bright colors. There is a lot of websites now popping up everywhere, and this is going to be definitely a trend for 2019. It's really the use of bright colors and how they change in the website. Let me just like reload this so I can show you. So this is just reloading now. Yeah, this is one of the problems that these websites, they take with all these animations. They take a little bit more time to load. But look, I'm gonna start scrolling down the page. Look, some vibrant colors. They really stand out. And as I'm scrolling down, you will probably see, look, we got some animations. Look at this. And now color is changing dynamically. Really some nice and vibrant colors. Again, different colors. And look, this is also a WebGL. Look at this. Another color change. Look how they change the color. So this is a good example. Another good one in here. Let me just refresh the page. I was just like selecting these websites for you guys. Look at this. You scroll. You are doing a horizontal scroll through the website, and it has a lot of vibrant colors popping up. A lot of contrast. So this is another great example of vibrant colors. Okay, let's go into this one in here now. Another great one. This has a lot of animations. I think this is going to be another web design trend in 2019 is all these animations. As you can see, there is a lot of them in these kind of websites. Look at this. And more vibrant colors, look, and really nice and smooth transitions between them. Let me see what we can have. Look, about all these nice colors in here, and we got some illustrations that I'm gonna cover these in the next trend. Look at these, really nice. Look at all these colors. They are very saturated colors, as you can see. Right, let's see another. This one in here I really like as well. Look, with all these colors, and this website in here actually just has like some cool features in here. Look, as I scroll down, this section scrolls down up, and this website in here scrolls up. So this as you guys can see, this is all about creativity. There's like so many nice websites to build out there. And it's always good to take some kind of inspiration in this kind of look. Look how cool it looks. Right, so let's move to this one. Another one in here. Just quickly, I'm gonna try to go a little bit faster. Another one with really nice colors. Right, let's start. All right, so this one in here, I'm gonna start. This next web design trend is the use of illustrations. Okay, and this use of illustrations, this is an amazing news for all the web designers, illustrators out there that you guys like to draw. Basically, now there is more and more websites using these kind of custom illustrations. So definitely this is going to be a trend in 2019. I see more and more of these websites coming up. Look at this. This is just like is using a bit of WebGL, like I covered in the previous videos. Look, he's tracking our mouse, but there is a lot of illustrations in here. Probably this is like some kind of popcorn, so I don't even know what's this. I think it's in Italian. If I'm gonna click on it, they give a little bit of the information about what's in here. It's like fried fish, something like that. Yeah. Ah, right. Yeah. This is like something that I thought it was like popcorn, but it's not. So this is one that they are using a lot of illustrations in here. Let's go to the second one. Look, this one in here is some kind of digital agency. And look, they have some animation, some simple illustrations, but they look really nice. Look at this. And they interact a little bit with your mouse as well when you hover them. Another great one, look, this website is raw.com. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the links down, because you guys can see in here on the top where I'm putting my mouse now, all the links. Oh, look, this one I really enjoyed to see this website. Look, some nice illustrations in here. Look. And it shows you, like, it gives you like a really good experience how you are scrolling down the page, and the illustrations, they are just blending so well into the website. All the color scheme is just like really nice. As I'm scrolling down, you can see this wheel in here just like rotating with the name of this guy. What's this? Current summer. So as you can see, if you are an illustrator, if you are a web designer that you can draw, you can do some of these illustrations, this is like amazing news, because you could be doing all these kind of illustrations from a lot of different clients. I really like this. So this is epiccurrents.com. Epiccurrents.com. Yeah, this is really nice. Right, I think this is the... Maybe this is the last one for the illustrations. Let's see. Alright, look at this. I need to go in here to the top. Yeah, look, a lot of these illustrations, they come up with some kind of animation, but you can see that this is basically illustrations that some designers, they can do. More and more illustrations, they fit really well, really nice color scheme as well. I think this is like some kind of Russian website. And then there is this one in here. I really enjoy this one in here as well. Look, this is like arena.net, I think, from the guys that they built Guild Wars. Look at this, how the illustrations come to life with this kind of splash. It's really an amazing style in here. Alright, so the next design trend that I would like to cover is really the use of asymmetric grids, okay? So these asymmetric grids, they are showing more and more everywhere. So before, usually the websites, they were having like the grids. The grids basically is like this kind of squares. They were all the time looking the same, with the same size. And now there are more and more websites like this one. Look, I can even scroll, that you can see a lot of these kind of cards, these grids, how they call it, with different sizes. Look, if I'm gonna click in one of them, for example, look, I'm going into this page. Look, you got something in here like completely out of box. It's not symmetric with anything else. The same with here. Look, you got this card in here for these what's it, orangutan or something like that, and you got this, is just like cutting the design in here. This part in here is not symmetric with this one. Look, this card in here is not symmetric with this one. They are like misplaced, but it looks really great. It looks really great. So this is another great design trend for 2019. A lot of websites coming up with this kind of trend. Look, another one in here, completely different. Let's see this one in here now. Another one. Look, the design. Look, there is something in here completely out of space from this one. This is the same. Look at this. They are not even aligned. So another good use of the asymmetric grid layout. More in here. So this can really just like give you an idea of doing things out of the box. You don't have to put things symmetric all the time. And I think this is the last one, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, look at this one in here. We have a video in here with another box in here. You got something in here that if I hover in here, it changes the color of this. And more, look, this one is a bit bigger than this one in here on the side. We have a good carousel. And look at this part in here. It is not having like a full width, so it's just sitting in here on the side to not be completely symmetric. So this is another great example. And yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So you really can see that if you want, you can actually build some really nice websites nowadays. You don't have to do the kind of boring website that is completely flat and it doesn't have any kind of interactivity. So if you want to build something that is going to sell, is going to make an impact to your clients, or even if you are starting to become a web developer and you want to do things different, there's a lot of examples in here, and as I said, you can access everything from the links in here on the top, so I don't have to be shouting out all the time the URLs. But yeah, and of course, don't forget to check the bundle the bundle from studywebdevelopment.com that I put in the link in the description. Because if you want to start doing your own freelancing things, it's gonna help you a lot, and you got a lot of examples in here of things that you could potentially do. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments down below and I will happily do it. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video.